Hello everyone, this is Harsh Sharma. Today I'm going to explain the date function in message mapping. For this explanation, I am referring to the documentation prepared by Sunesh KS, which I access through LinkedIn. In this video, we will understand how date function are used like current date, date before, date after, date trans, compare, date inside a message mapping along with a practical example. Let's begin. First of all, we understand what is a date function. Date function are used in message mapping to handle and transform, compare the date's value. Compare date is used to compare one date to another date. Simply, it compares two date. If two dates are equal, it give us 0. If first date is after second date, it give as an output 1. And if second date is after first date, it give as an output -1. Current date will returns the current system date. Date before, check one date occur before another. Output is in true or false. Date after, check one date occurs after another date or not, and output is in true or false form. Date trans, convert a date from one format to another, like year, month, day, to day, month, year. For this explanation, I am using this source XST and target XST and this XML payload. Now begin the session. I am in my design site. Inside my design site, I am in package Harsh. Inside this package, I am creating a new integration flow named as date function, giving this description as current date, current trans, before, after, compare dates. Inside this date function iflow, I am adding a message mapping here. Inside this message mapping, I am creating a new message mapping name as date. Inside this date message mapping, I'm adding my source payload, source XST, sorry, which is date.xst. Now adding target XST, target.xst, mapping all the source to the target. Now taking one constant. Now seeing date function one by one. First starting with current date. What does current date do? It just simply give the current date or today's date of system. Simulating this, adding my payload as a sample.xml, testing this. It giving us the today's date, which is March 1, 2026. Now seeing date before. Purchase date as date 1 and constant as date 2, assigning a constant date to 02 03 Make sure your date format is same as in the sample XST. Like my date format in sample payload is 27 slash 02 slash 2026. We have to change this into that format only so that we doesn't encounter any error. Now simulating this again to see what's the result. It's giving us true, as we are using date before. First date is 27 and the second date which is taking as constant 20. So first date is before the second date, so it is giving us true. If first date is after the second date, it will give us false. Change to 4th, it will give us false. Similarly, date after simulating again to see the result. Here it is giving false, as first date is 27 and second date is 2023, which is in March, and the purchase date is in February. After this, date trans, purchase date as this to this. It will change the format of the date. See. Sorry, we have to change this format also. Simulating again. It's changed the format of the date. Now the last one, compare date, which compares the two dates. If both dates are equal, it will give us 0. If first date is after second, it will give us 1, and if second date is after first, it will give us -1. Let's see. It will give us -1 as first date is as second date is after the first date. If we same both the dates, it will give us zero in this case. See, and if the first date is after second date, it will give us 1. Let's see this also. we change the months to 4, it will give us 1. That's all for today's session.